So welcome back on my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official. In this video I will tell you about how to enter data in MS Excel. So you can see the procedure of entering data in MS Excel. Before starting the video, I am requesting to all of you about subscribe my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official and like my videos. Thank you. Let's start the video. First step is to open MS Excel. After open MS Excel, go to page layout and select size A4 and select orientation landscape in this way. Now I will select the criteria where I will done my work or enter data in this way. Now I will adjust these columns and here I will write employee ID, first name, last name, last name. Next column I will write designation. Next column I will write salary. Next column I will write joining date. Next column I will write end date. Next column I will write nationality. Next column I will write campus ID. Camp ID. Now I will adjust these lines in this way. Here I put some mistake. Last name. Here I will put designation. Here I will put salary. Here I will put in this way. Now I will adjust in this way. In this way. Now in this way. Now I will select this whole row and select merge and center, and also I will select this whole row and merge and center in this way. Now I will put here the name of company, the Bay Company Limited. Select whole one and increase the size in this way, make it bold. Now I will select the color. Here I will put the logo. So I will put it Now I will adjust it in a specific row. Here I will put picture. Now I will adjust it in this way. Now select all one, make it bold in this way. Now here I will write employee ID, like first ID I will write Dubai 12. Now I will select this one, make the cursor in this position and drag it to down, so it will automatically adjust in the sequence of 1 by increment of 1. First name, I will put the name of the employees. In this way, here I will write the designation. CEO of company. In this way, here I will write now I will write I will enter salary, in this way, joining date, and I will make it on in this way, end date till date, in this way, nationality Pakistani, Indian, Filipino, Bangladesh, Pakistani, and make it copy to all of these in this way. Camp ID in this way. Now I will make cursor in this position, it will automatically add in the increment of 1. Now here I will write employment data entry data record. Now select this one, make it bold, and select the color in this way. Now I will select this whole one, make color in this way, so you can easily divide your columns against your color. In this way, so you can see this example of entering data in MS Excel. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will definitely reply to it. Thank you and enjoy the video.